Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to publish your Canva designs directly to Instagram without downloading files or switching between apps. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, make sure your Canva design is already open in the editor. Once you have your design ready, look at the top right corner of the screen above your canvas. You'll see a purple Share button. Go ahead and click on it to reveal your sharing options. This is where Canva gives you access to all the different ways you can export or publish your work. After clicking Share, a menu will appear with several options. Look for the button that says See All and click on it. This expands the full list of integrations and publishing tools available in Canva. From there, scroll down until you find a section labeled Social. This section contains all the social media platforms Canva directly integrates with, making it easy to publish your content without leaving the app. Inside the social section, locate and click on Instagram. This will open up Canva's Instagram publishing feature, which allows you to post directly to your Instagram account. If this is your first time using this feature, you'll see a Connect button appear. Click on it to begin linking your Instagram account. You'll be prompted to log in with your Instagram credentials and then authorize Canva to access your account. This is a secure connection that allows Canva to post on your behalf, so you don't have to manually save and upload files. Once the connection is established, Canva may ask you to select which Instagram account you want to use, especially if you manage multiple accounts. A drop-down menu will appear showing all linked accounts. Choose the one you'd like to publish to and proceed. Next, you'll see a caption field where you can type the text that will appear with your post. This is your chance to add hashtags, descriptions, or any message you want to share alongside your design. Take a moment to craft your caption before moving forward. Finally, you'll have two options to finish the process. You can either click Publish to post your design immediately to Instagram, or click Schedule if you want to set a specific date and time for it to go live. This scheduling feature is especially useful if you're planning your content in advance or posting across different time zones. And that's it. You've now connected Canva to Instagram and published your design without ever leaving the platform. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.